Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So for today's routine, like I just came back from Andheri Lokhandwala. Me and Chiku, we had gone for his haircut and he also got his color changed, but he doesn't want to come on the camera as usual, so couldn't record those things. But yes, there was one very happy thing that happened. There's one friend of mine, Nirusha, who is a dress designer for, like, she's done many television shows and movies also. If you Google her, you can find out. Her name is Nikhat Nirusha, Mariam Nikhat Nirusha. And she's got into this food business also. And the name of her, like, I won't call it a restaurant. It is a restaurant of course, but उसने ये अपने दिल से स्टार्ट किया है. जो मुझे फील होता था उसके सोशल मीडिया हैंडल को के ऊपर उसका अपडेट देख करके, या फिर उसके यूट्यूब पेज को फॉलो करके. तो नौशे जान नाम का, अगर आप गूगल करेंगे वो भी आपको मिलेगा, जोमेटो पे भी अवेलेबल है. तो आज फर्स्ट टाइम हो गया, इसको काफ़ी टाइम इसको स्टार्ट करके हो गया है, बट टुडे लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम, बिकॉज मैं काफ़ी दिन से प्लान करी थी जाने का बट जा नहीं पा रही थी. तो आई हैपन टू बी इन अंधेरी टुडे. सो व्हाट आई डिड कि आज भी जाने का टाइम तो नहीं था बिकॉज घर भी वापस जल्दी आना था. तो मैंने वहाँ से खाना ऑर्डर कर लिया जिस सैलून में हम लोग थे, और मैं खाना लेकर के अभी आ गई हूँ घर पे. और अभी मैं निकालूंगी और खाऊंगी, और आप लोग को भी अपने इस नए रेस्टोरेंट के, नॉट नए रेस्टोरेंट बट मेरी फ्रेंड के हाथों का खाना, जो अवधी क्विजीन जो वो बोलती है, अवधी क्विजीन काफ़ी मतलब उसके रेस्टोरेंट का स्पेशलिटी है, वो मैं आपको उससे रूबरू कराऊंगी और आप फिर देखिए, अच्छा लगेगा आपको. एंड आप लोग भी ज़रूर से ऑर्डर कीजिएगा उसके वहाँ से. So yes guys, you can see the name of the restaurant, Noshe Jan, Food for the Soul. And here is my order. So I'll just open it for you and show it to you. So here guys, I've opened the packet, and this is chicken seekh kebab that I've ordered. Then this is their chicken dum biryani. My god, the food is all so hot. Like, I've traveled from Andheri Lokhandwala to Kandili Lokhandwala and the food is yet very hot. That's really great. I don't need to reheat it in the microwave. And this is their Afghani chicken tikka. This looks so yum. Yeah. Yes guys, so this again I'll show it to you. This is the Afghani chicken tikka. This is the chicken dum biryani. This is chicken seekh kebab, and in this packet there is lacha parathas which I've ordered, and they've given chutney and onion and all. So I'll just serve it in the plate and I'll show it to you guys. Just look at this guys, it's looking so yum, so yum. I just tasted also online on the video itself and I'll show it to you. Just give this plate to Chiku and then we'll serve for myself. Yes guys, so this is my plate. Now you can see. Oh my god, I just had the Afghani tikka. It is so tasty with lacha paratha and onion. Nirusha, amazing food. Like, I can give more than 10 out of 10 for this food. I'm just tasting the seekh kebab now. Seekh kebab is also amazing. And the chutney is to die for. Amazing chutney. Very amazing chutney. Amazing food. That was such a big burp, Chiku. Chiku is also eating and he gave such a big burp after that. So guys, now I just want to enjoy because I'm very hungry. And yeah, we'll see you later. Yummy food. Yeah. Amazing food guys. Such tasty seekh kebab. Amazing seekh kebab. Thank you so much Nirusha. Thank you so much Noshe Jan for this amazing food. Just melting in the mouth. You see you guys. Such tasty food. Hello, now I'm going to eat aram se. Hi guys, hope all of you are doing good. I'm just making this short because like recently I have been facing a lot of problem with my skin, especially when the weather here in Mumbai is changing like drastically. The summers have struck so badly in March itself. Like now that it is the end of like second half of March, but since the beginning of the March only, the summer onset was like the summer season started very drastic. अचानक से it changed from pleasant weather to बहुत ज़्यादा like humid and summery weather, lot of heat, and of course even we were feeling very dehydrated. So was our skin. So does our skin actually. Like the way we feel thirsty during summers, the skin also feels thirsty and dehydrated. So like I was looking for some good products for my skin, because of course once you cross 40-45, you need to take that extra special care for your skin. So like I was going through lot of reviews, lot of like I was searching on the internet and doing everything, but I was not able to find a very good product. But then I landed over this product from Kriti Sanon, which is called Hyphen. So like I was in the beginning I was very skeptical about this also, but then I thought, like I went through all the reviews and everything, especially the what all chemicals and materials and what all they use in their product. So like I found it, according to my knowledge, what knowledge I have, according to that, like I found it really nice. But in the reviews and all, this is the first time I have ordered from them, from Hyphen, and I'm going to unbox my products here and show it to you. And let's see. And today is 18th of March 2026. So exactly after not 1 month, 1 month will be too long. So like every week I will give you a review and show you my skin, how my skin is looking, so that you guys can also get a proper review about this new brand Hyphen, and the products that I'm using. Okay, so let's start unboxing. First I'll show you the box of Hyphen, guys. Yeah. But I'm really excited for this one because I really like Kriti Sanon and like her acting and her movies. So hope accordingly her products are also amazing. The packaging is like too much, guys. So let me just open it and then I'll start the video again. Yeah. Yes, guys. As I told you guys that during this summer, like I'm facing a lot of problems with my dehydrated skin, and I really want to, like earlier my skin used to be so nice. Like I used to get, of course, because I'm on the obese side and also एक वो कहीं ना कहीं एक थोड़ा वो रहता है, हिचकिचाहट रहता है about your looks and all. But then also, guys, I'm not that type. Like बिल्कुल भी मुझे हिचकिचाहट नहीं है about my looks and all. But then like I used to get lot of compliments from my family, from my relatives, my friends, for my amazing skin. Touch wood. But now my skin, like I think with age, I've started like seeing a lot of pigmentation, freckles and dehydration on my skin. So like I thought, because there are a lot of products in the market which are super expensive, I think those products also must be working. That is the reason that they exist in the market, the company. But of course I don't want to splurge so much, like horrendous kind of amount on those products and then wait for the result. So I wanted to go for some brand which is like a little lighter on the pocket and still gives as good results as those products. So that is the reason I started my research around a month back. It took me a month with the researching and all, and like once I started looking out for good companies and good brands for my skin, the issues that I have, every time on my Insta feed and all other social media pages, Hyphen ad kept on coming up, and Kriti Sanon's ads and all on her pages also. So I just thought, like I did lot of research on this company, like जितना मैं कर सकती थी उतना मैंने किया करके, and then I zeroed down on Hyphen to give a try. So from like today, it's already evening. So today I will start with the night routine, what I have ordered. I'll show like all the products to you guys. But from tomorrow morning, tomorrow is 19th, in fact first day of Navratri, so very good auspicious day to start with something new. So I'll be starting, so I won't be starting with the night product today. I'll be starting with the morning products from tomorrow morning itself. And after after every week, like tomorrow is Thursday, I think. Yeah, today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. So next Thursday, like today also, I'll just show you the close-up of my skin, and I'll show you the close-up of all the products that I'm using. And every Thursday, I'll keep on reviewing, like giving you reviews with my skin and all. Like I'll do that. So like you can see the changes on my skin like week by week. So you guys can also get an idea about how the products are working of Hyphen. So yeah, I've already unboxed everything. So let's start with the Ice Dunk face mask, which, so yeah, see guys, you can see. So like it challenges that it works like the Ice Dunk regime that had started going viral. We used to see all the celebrities from Alia Bhatt to Katrina Kaif to all many other celebrities doing this ice dunk for the depuffing of their face the first thing in the morning once you get up. So this Hyphen ice dunk face mask is they are saying that they give the same result of the ice dunk regime. So here, so I'll start with this. This is one product that I have ordered. Then this is guys double shot radiance lift serum. I have the reviews that I've read about this product, and the ads that I've seen of Kriti Sanon are amazing. So let's start with this also. Then guys, I've ordered hydrating ceramide toner essence. This is like after your cleansing of your face for the toning part, and it's milky toner. Like first time I've heard a milky toner, because generally I'm not a toner person. I don't like because according to me, when I apply toner, my skin becomes very dry, which I don't like. I like soft and supple skin. But when I saw the ad of this product, this toner, it is a milky toner, so like it doesn't dry up your skin and all. So let's see how it works. Then guys, I've also ordered all I need, sunscreen SPF 50. Of course, this is the basic requirement sunscreen. And I really wanted to change my sunscreen. I was using a sunscreen which used to leave a lot of white cast. So I wanted something really nice and like very light on my skin. I did not like the heavy feeling. So I've ordered this. Let's see how it works. Then guys, I have also, okay. I'll have to see. So I'll see guys. Okay. Yeah, so this is ceramide rich pillow cream. So this is basically what I've understood about reading about this product is it's a night cream, ceramide rich pillow cream. Yeah, you can see. And then this is the Golden Hour Glow Screen SPF 50. This sunscreen is with a little tint, which is basically like if you have to step out and all and you want a little flawless kind of a look for that. So like guys, I'll be using it for my office. Like when I go to office and all, I don't want to apply makeup and foundation base or something. So this will suffice for it. So I use this when I step out. And these two glosses, I have lip balm actually, not glosses also. It is vitamin infused peptide lip balm. And I've ordered the shades are hazel and marshmallow guys. You can see both of these. So I really like lip balms, and I really like I saw Kriti Sanon using it, and the shade and the shimmer on her lips was amazing. So I've just ordered this. So these are the product guys, and so yes, so I'll be giving you feedback next Thursday. I'll start using it. I'll start using all the products tomorrow morning itself, and then after a week, let's see. And I'll also show you the close up of my skin right now. You can see here, guys. Yeah, I'll give you one proper close up also. Yes, guys. So you can see, like I'm just showing you the close up of my skin. Yeah, you can see. Like I'm feeling so dehydrated. There are like dehydrated patches. Like dry patches I can feel on my skin. So let's see. Hope the products and so much of investment works, and then I'll let you know guys. Bye bye. Hello guys. So yesterday I forgot to take the end of the video. So yesterday the full day was just busy with Chiku's haircut, and then I collaborated with one of my friends. She owns a restaurant, I told you yesterday, Nirusha. And after that, I had ordered Hyphen products, skincare products. तो उसका भी मैंने unboxing किया, and आज से मैं अभी start करूँगी use करना after I take my shower. तो उसका फिर मैं आपको review next Thursday मैं दूँगी 1 week का. I'll follow the full regime and then I'll mention next Thursday के वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे कैसे किस टाइम पे कौन सा प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने यूज़ किया है एंड जो मैंने अपना स्किन का क्लोजअप आपको दिखा दिया है तो नेक्स्ट थर्सडे वापस से दिखाऊंगी एंड देन यू कैन डिसाइड फॉर योर सेल्फ गाइज. So hope you enjoyed this video of mine, guys. Chalo, now I'll end this vlog. Bye bye, take care, and guys, please like my videos and comment. Please put a lot of comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Also, guys, I forgot to wish a very, very, very happy Gudi Padwa to all my YouTube family, and also very happy Chaitra Navratri to everyone. And then there's Ugadi also, so happy Ugadi. And I think there are 1 to 2 more festivals of different states which I don't remember right now. But lots of blessings and happiness to all of you. Bye bye.